It's finally December, the time of the year with snow, lots of eating, awkward family dinners and most of all, advent calendars. What is an advent calendar, you might ask? Advent calendars are a German tradition where from the 1st till the 24th of December you get a little present every day. This Wera advent calendar has the same promise, but then with tools. But we live in the 21st century, so when we buy something, we want it now. So let's have a look. The calendar comes in a box. The inside box will have 24 doors with goodies. Just find number 1 and start digging. Oh, and be careful not to break a nail. Some of these are quite hard to open. What comes out is a nice set of Wera tools, including an L-key inbus set with holder, a magnetizer demagnetizer, a micro driver set with 6 bits, a large vario set with 5 reversible bits, a carrying case and a bottle opener. The tools themselves feel like they are good quality. The L keys have the Wera hex plus shape like the other Wera inbus keys. The micro driver has a good quality magnet and the 6 included bits give some variety of use, although more would have been nice. The vario set with effectively 10 bits feels good in the hand and the build quality feels like it will last. The screw holder feels like a bit of a gimmick, as it is just as easy to hold the screw in your hand while screwing it in. Finally, the magnetizer demagnetizer works as it should, but it will definitely get lost as it is tiny and only held on by the magnet itself. This year's set has been an improvement over last year's version. That set was generally good apart from the driver, which had a weak magnet and bad tolerances on the molding, resulting in bits falling out when opening the bit holder. The carrying case for the bits and the driver feel like good quality and include some velcro if you want to use that. The L key holder is a fun idea, but the holes for the keys are round instead of hexagon, leading to a state that you can never really get everything to line up. But now we're just nitpicking. All in all, it's a nice twist on the advent calendar idea, and I'm looking forward to next year's version. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think about this video down below.